And our correspondent Ankit Tyagi now joins us live on the story. Ankit, Arvind Kejriwal making the usual concerted attack that he does on the Congress, the BJP, and the latest target is Reliance Industries, Mukesh Ambani. So nothing new there, but let's try and understand the significance of launching the campaign from Rohtak in Haryana. We understand that the AAP is really looking to expand its base in the state.
Well, Sanjana, of course, nothing new in what Arvind Kejriwal said, a concerted attack on the Congress, the BJP, and now, of course, Mukesh Ambani. But this is the line that the party will be taking as far as the 2014 elections are concerned. Apart from that, Haryana is the focus state, no doubt about that. After Delhi, this is where they think their base will come. 10 seats of Haryana will be very important as far as their calculations for 2014 are concerned. And also, they believe that like Delhi, Haryana is a small state. They will be able to make a dent as far as the assembly elections in Haryana are concerned. That is what the party really is hoping for. They wanted to make a political point by starting their entire campaign from Rohtak. Rohtak, remember, is known as the political capital of Haryana. It is the bastion of the Chief Minister of Haryana, Bhupender Singh Hooda. His son, Dipender Hooda, is the MP from Rohtak. The Aam Aadmi Party, their entire effort today was to challenge the government of Haryana, start their campaign nationally, bring Arvind Kejriwal. Remember, Arvind Kejriwal is from Haryana, so right. They wanted to bring that flavor in. They wanted that the momentum to be built up for the 2014 elections so that they can at least get as many as seats out of the 10 in Haryana. That's the entire plan. They will be going to other states also, but states neighboring Delhi, which is where they see the maximum impact of the Aam Aadmi Party coming into play.
Ankit Tyagi, thank you so much for bringing us that update. We'll continue bringing you more developments as the story moves further.